people will be speaking, that will come under the video, right? It will get recorded and it will become very easy for all of us, to recognize who is speaking and what all things you are doing. Okay, so I request all of you that you maintain a proper silence so that our purpose for what we are doing for the online students, that will be fulfilled. Okay, so I want a complete silence. You all quickly open your chemistry notebooks and then we will start with the lecture. Okay, so as again we will be beginning with the basics of chemistry. You can give the heading. This is the basics of chemistry. As I promised you that this first 3-4 lectures will be totally basics of our chemistry and then we will go for the introduction to the analytical chemistry. Okay. So write down. Yesterday you all know that we had done some important compounds. Last benches, second last bench. I want a complete silence. Do I need to repeat all these things again and again? I don't think so. I don't think so that you people are very much matured enough. Come in the front. And I am telling you, I am not going to allow those students who are not there to listen us. मला असं नकोय की just because of one child the entire class is getting disturbed. It should not happen. Okay. So yesterday we had done some important compounds in the chemistry. So let me tell you, the list is with you all. What you all need to do, you all need to practice those structures thoroughly. Because next time when I come, I will be getting the free period on Saturday. One period is allotted which any particular teacher can take. He can either take a test, he can take an open book test, he or she can conduct the assignment, or he or she can give you any particular writing work. Okay. So I hope that this is very much clear to all of you. So in today's lecture, we are going to talk about the two kinds of compounds. You all can note it down. That is the aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic compounds and aromatic compounds. Aliphatic and aromatic compounds. Okay. So this is a very important term in the organic chemistry. What is aliphatic and what is aromatic? See, what is aromatic? Aromatic means which has a peculiar smell, right? Or we can say aroma, right? Generally the aromatic compounds are sweet smell compounds, right? इसका जो smell होता है, that is a very sweet smell compounds, or they have a particular kind of a peculiar aroma. That is what they are called as the aromatic compounds. Now, how to identify the aromatic compounds in the chemistry? So, in order to identify the particular aromatic compounds in chemistry, you should first know what is the Huckel's rule of aromaticity. Huckel's rule of aromaticity. Okay. Now, what does the Huckel's rule of aromaticity says? See, I'll repeat once. The Huckel's rule of aromaticity says that any particular cyclic planar compound which follows 4n plus 2 pi electron rule is said to be aromatic in a nature. I will write down. You all can note it down. What is Huckel's rule? Huckel's rule states that Huckel's rule states that any cyclic planar compound which follows 4n plus 2 pi rule is called as aromatic compound. Right? Is called as aromatic compound. Okay. So this particular rule I will explain you when we start with the chapter aromatic compounds. या वर्षी आपल्याला एक chapter आहे that will be totally dedicated to the aromatic compounds only. Are you understanding? So when we come to that particular part, I will explain you how to identify the aromatic compound. But अभी एक simple वाला फंडा बताता हूँ कि aromatic compound को identify कैसे करते हैं, right? So how to identify aromatic compound? Any particular compound which is a cyclic in a nature, right? You all can write it down. This also, any particular cyclic compound is called as aromatic compound. Any particular cyclic compound is called as aromatic compound. Okay, अभी देखो एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. Benzene ring. This is a benzene ring. You all know what is benzene. Benzene is a cyclic compound. Are you understanding? Benzene is a cyclic compound. So this particular benzene becomes the aromatic compound. तो aromatic compounds क्या होते हैं? Aromatic compounds are a cyclic in a nature. Okay, do you understand this? So this is one of the simple tricks. But let me tell you, not all cyclic compounds are aromatic. मैंने तो बोल दिया कि cyclic compounds are aromatic, but not all cyclic compounds are aromatic. For this, you have to apply the rule that is called as the Huckel's rule of aromaticity. ये rule apply करो और find out करो 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. If it is following this rule, then only it will be said to be a aromatic in a nature. Okay. So I will not go much deep into this rule because we are going to see this rule in the chapter aromatic compounds. Okay. But now just understand that cyclic compounds are called as the aromatic compounds. Okay. तो ये तो समझ में आ गया cyclic compounds के बारे में. और examples लेते हैं हम लोग इसके. You can note down the examples which we are going to frequently use. Number 1, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. See, this is one of the compound. Now, why it is called as the chlorobenzene? Why it is called as the chlorobenzene? Because there is a one chlorine atom at the top and a benzene ring, so it becomes a chlorobenzene. Okay. Another example we can take. NH2, this becomes the aniline, right? This becomes the aniline. What is the name of the compound? Aniline. देखो सबको compounds का नाम याद होना चाहिए. If you don't know the compounds, you will not be able to, write these structures in the exam. Are you understanding, my dear students? So structures are very very important. और ये जो वाला aniline है, we are going to frequently use for the organic reactions in organic chemistry. Okay. Then one more compound is there. You all can note it down. This is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Okay, why it is called as nitro? Because there is a nitro group attached at the top. That is why it is called as the nitrobenzene. Benzene के साथ में nitro group, so it will be called as the nitrobenzene. Then one more compound we will see. हाँ, अभी ये मुझे तुम लोग बताओ कि what kind of a group it is. CHO. Yesterday हमने देखा था कि what is CHO. Yes, किसने पढ़ा है घर पे जाके या सिर्फ घर पे जाके सो गए? What is CHO? Yes, girls, what is CHO? CHO क्या है? CHO is the aldehyde group. Do you remember? Yesterday I told you CHO is a aldehyde group. So what will be the name of this compound? The name of the compound will be benzaldehyde. लिख लो नाम. Benzaldehyde. Why benzaldehyde? Why benzaldehyde? See, benzene and aldehyde group, so it becomes the benzaldehyde. Did you understand? See, the compounds are very simple. The only thing is you people need to master and practice it again and again. Okay? So that you people will be able to write all the structures. Okay, next. Benzene ring. And to this benzene ring we have a COOH. So yesterday also we have seen COOH. COOH किसको बोलते हैं हम लोग? Yes. Acid. Which acid? Name of that acid? Carboxylic acid. Right? So COOH is the carboxylic acid. Okay. So what will be the name of this? The name of this will be benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay. You know, generally when students come to 11th standard, no, the major problem with the students is coping up with the name of the compounds. तुम्हाला थोडेफार काही दिवस जातील नाव लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी, पण एकदा की तुम्ही जर नाव लक्षात ठेवलं, it will become very easy for all of you. Provided, again I will tell you, provided you people need to do proper practice. Right? When you go home, you need to practice all the structures thoroughly. Otherwise, you will not be able to write it in the exam. Okay? Okay. So these are the aromatic compounds. So I give you the enough examples of the aromatic compounds. Now we will go towards the aliphatic compounds. Write it down. Aliphatic compounds are those compounds which contain straight chain or branched chain structure. Okay? Straight chain and branch chain structure. That is what is called as the aliphatic compound. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों? So what is aliphatic compound? Aliphatic compounds are those compounds which contain either straight chain or either branch chain. Now what is straight chain and what is branch chain? I will give you the example. See, CH3, CH2 and CH3. See, this is a straight chain compound. बराबर है ना? एक क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, रेलवे के जैसा स्ट्रेट है. That is why it is called as the straight chain compound. Here you can see one CH3, CH2 and CH3. So it becomes a propane. Right? So this is a straight chain compound. You can note it down. It is a straight chain compound. अभी एक ब्रांच चेन का भी हम लोग एग्जांपल लेते हैं so that you will understand. Example of branch chain: CH3, CH, CH3 and Br. So this becomes the branch chain compound, my dear students. अभी इसको branch क्यों बोलेंगे? Why we call it as a branch? Can anyone tell me? Because there is a one branch at the second position. Can you see? There is a one bromine atom is attached at the second position, so there is a one branch present. यहाँ पे कोई branch है क्या? देखो, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. It is simply going straight. That is why it is called as the straight chain compound. But यहाँ पे देखो second example में CH3, CH, CH3. At second position we have a one branch, that is the bromine. So branch can be anything. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सेकेंड पोजीशन पे ही ब्रांच हो सकता है, थर्ड पोजीशन पे भी ब्रांच हो सकता है सर. यस, हो सकता है. देखो एग्जांपल CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. यस, ये भी हो सकता है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड? सी 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the parent alkane? The parent alkane is butane. Why butane? How many number of carbon atoms are there? 4 carbon atoms are there, so it becomes the butane. At which position bromine atom is there? Second position, not third. There is a one rule for the IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming का rule क्या बोलता है? Rule ये बोलता है कि जब भी नंबरिंग करो तो सबसे लीस्ट नंबर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को आना चाहिए. बराबर है? सबसे लीस्ट नंबर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को आना चाहिए. That is what is called as the IUPAC rule of naming. Right? So when you go from here, see 1, 2, 3. थर्ड पोजीशन पे आ रहा है सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. यहां से देखो 1, 2. So the least number is 2. So we will count from this side. So this becomes the 2-bromobutane. Why bromo? Because we have a bromine present at the second position. समझ में आ गया बच्चों? तो ब्रांच कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. ब्रांच ऐसा नहीं है कि सेकंड पोजीशन पे ही ब्रांच होगा या फिर थर्ड पोजीशन पे ब्रांच आ गया. Right? Are you understanding? So such kind of a carbon, wherever at the second position the branch is coming, such kind of a carbon is called as the secondary carbon. समझ में आ गया? इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? 2 डिग्री कार्बन. और जब भी थर्ड पोजीशन पे आएगा, that will be called as the 3 degree carbon. And whenever the particular branch will come, for example, see CH3, CH2Br. ये कहाँ आ गया? पहले वाले कार्बन के ऊपर ब्रांच आ गया. ब्रांच नहीं बोल सकते, एक ब्रोमीन एटम अटैच्ड हो गया. So this will become a primary carbon or a 1 degree carbon. Did you understand, my dear students? Okay. So such kind of a carbons are present in the chemistry. That particular carbons you will learn in next year in the chapter halogen derivatives of alkenes. Okay. तो ये हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं. 1 degree carbon क्या है, 2 degree क्या है, 3 degree क्या है. But for your basic understanding, you should understand that such kind of a carbons are present and branch can be present anywhere in the structure. It is not necessary that it will be at the second position or it will be at the third position. It may be present anywhere in the structure. And one more thing, substituent atom कुछ भी हो सकता है. ऐसा necessary नहीं है कि bromine ही होगा. See, the substituent atom can be iodine, the substituent atom can be fluorine, the substituent atom can be chlorine. Right? The substituent atom can be NO2. So anything you can take it as a substituent atom. तो just imagine करो अगर हमने यहाँ पे 30 या 40 substituent atoms अगर लगा दिए तो कितने type of organic compounds बनेंगे. Right? So that is why I tell you that organic chemistry is a very very vast chemistry. Understanding this and understanding the name of the compound is very important. And for this you should have the proper conceptual understanding. अगर समझ में आया, then only you will be able to write it in the PPS. कराइए बस. Okay. So I hope this is very much clear to all of you. सबको branch समझ में आया कि branch क्या होता है? Did you all understand? Okay. Did you all understand what is the straight chain compounds? Okay, good, very good.